How to trust a jeweler when you're leaving your valuable. Hi everyone, I'm Mimi Ostare and I'm gonna give you a few tips about it. Number one, make sure to check your jeweler on the internet. These days everything is online. Make sure they have good reviews, all 5-star and nothing wrong. Number two, make sure when you're leaving your item, they take a really good detailed pictures of your item. If you're doing a repair, if there is a stone missing, make sure that they mark it on which side the stone is missing. If the center stone has any issue, if there is a crack, if there is like anything related to your item, make sure they mark it and they give you a very good detailed pictures about it. Number three, make sure the value of your item is written on the receipt. This is for insurance purposes. So if anything happens to your item, your jeweler is responsible for the value that they put on your receipt. This is a very important tip, so make sure that your receipt has that. Number four, make sure that your receipt says what exactly they're going to do with your item. For example, if it's a size 6, we're making it to a size 7, it has to be in the receipt. You don't want to come back with the wrong size and they're going to say, oh, that's what you asked for. So you want to make sure that all the details are in the receipt. I hope this few tips helps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.